In our recent class, we delved into aid to trade, unveiling the intricate mechanisms propelling commerce, from transport to technology, fueling global prosperity. Today's class will cover the topic of direct and indirect services. Direct services involve face-to-face interactions between the provider and recipient, tailored to individual needs and requiring high personal engagement. Examples of direct services include 1. Healthcare, medical consultations, surgeries, physical therapy, and nursing care are direct services provided by healthcare professionals to patients. 2. Education, teaching, tutoring, and mentoring are direct services in the field of education, where educators work directly with students to impart knowledge and skills. 3. Legal services, lawyers and legal experts provide direct services when representing clients in court, offering legal advice, or drafting legal documents. 4. Personal training, fitness trainers and coaches offer direct services by working closely with clients to develop individualized workout and nutrition plans. 5. Counseling, psychologists, therapists, and counselors provide direct services to individuals seeking emotional and mental support. Indirect services are supported without direct interaction. They work behind the scenes to aid in the delivery of services or serve a wider audience. Examples of indirect services include 1. Information technology, IT, support. IT professionals who maintain computer networks and systems provide indirect services that ensure the smooth functioning of technology used by various employees or clients. 2. Marketing and advertising. Marketing agencies create and run campaigns to promote products or services, which indirectly influence potential customers' purchasing decisions. 3. Public transportation. The operation and maintenance of buses, trains, and subways constitute indirect services that enable people to travel to their destinations. 4. Supply chain management. Managing the flow of goods, inventory, and logistics is an indirect service that supports the timely delivery of products to customers. 5. Research and development. Scientists and researchers work behind the scenes to develop new products and technologies, which can eventually lead to direct services or the sale of innovative products. Direct services entail personal interactions, while indirect services support or enhance direct services and meet broader needs, both of which are essential across industries. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.